Hi, I'm Kristen, and this is a weight loss quilt holiday update video, is what I'm calling it. If you don't know what the weight loss quilt is, I'll put a link to the original video in the like up above here somewhere, and then I've got the a link in the description to the blog post that explains it all and where you can download the starter pack that I'm going to talk about in this video. But if you're already following along, the update for me personally, things have slowed down a bit. I got my booster shot this month, and I'm obviously deep into making gifts for people for Christmas and stuff. Kind of in panic mode at the moment, actually. But anyways, um, so I've lost a further 4 pounds to my last update video. So 16 pounds since I started. I knew it was going to slow down the second month, so that's fine. And I've also slowed down a little bit with actually making the blocks because, as I said, I'm making all these Christmas presents and stuff. So I realized I needed a better way to track the blocks because I had been making them fairly regularly as I was going along, and now I'm just a little bit behind. I was using a wall chart, like a calendar thing, and just writing down what the block should look like, the background and the circle and stuff. And I know some of you have said you're using like bullet journals and things like that. But what I've done is made a coloring sheet. I'm calling it a coloring sheet tracker sheet. I don't know if you can see that. And it's, if you've already got the starter pack, I'm going to email you with this. So it'll just be a separate PDF that you'll get in your email later today or this week. So have a look for that. If you haven't got the starter pack yet, then when you download it, this will be the last page in the pack because I've added it. So what I'm doing is I've used like letters and numbers for my key. So I've put like U for unhealthy, H for healthy. I'm not sure if you can see this or not. And then put the amount of minutes that I exercised. And then I've also written when it's a weight loss tracker block, I've put WL for weight loss. And if I had a week where I didn't lose weight, then I'd maybe just put weight tracker or weight blank. So WT or WB for like weight loss blank, because mine's going to be like a blank, well, not blank, but like a low volume background square if I don't lose weight on a weight tracking day kind of thing. So the other thing I'm doing is, in order to keep track of whether or not I've actually made the block, once I have made the block, I'm outlining the grid line in pen, just so I can see which ones I've made and which ones I haven't. The other thing to mention is that this coloring page is to the size of the quilt I'm making, which is a throw size. So if you're making a different size, you might need to print another sheet or make a similar grid yourself to the size that you've chosen to make. But you could, I know people like to do coloring pages for quilts and stuff. It's not something I've ever really done, but if you could use this with some coloring pencils if that helps you to more visually see what you have to make or how things go together. And I think this is going to actually be quite good also because, I'm making the rows as I go along. And I'm trying to put a little clip on the first one so I know, where's the front and where's the back, because it's easy to swap these rows around kind of thing. So this should help. Like if you ever get lost and you're not sure, you can just kind of follow the pattern of what you've written and figure out which row goes where kind of thing. So I hope that'll help some of you. Some other kind of holiday thoughts. I am personally, in another day or two, I'm going to be like, weight loss? What weight loss? And I'm going to just have some fun at Christmas and have my cheese and crackers and my Baileys and whatever else I want to have. And I fully expect I'll gain a few pounds over Christmas. The difference is going to be, hopefully, that unlike other years where I'm kind of like, this Christmas eating is fun, I'll just keep doing it for another few weeks in January. Instead, I'm going to be like, right, January, I think it's like, probably not the 1st, to be honest, but January 3rd, 4th, that when the working week starts again. That's going to be me back on track. So I'm planning on sending all of you guys who've downloaded a starter pack an email at that point, just to get us all re-energized and back on track with each other. Most of you so far have said that you want to share your progress and keep in touch on Instagram. I'm not brilliant at keeping up with it, but I do try and go on Instagram as often as I can and post when I can. So I'm going to try and keep doing that. I'm still open to doing a Facebook group if enough of you say you want that. There's a few who have said they do, but right now it's not like a huge group of people, so I've not set that up quite yet. Um, so what else? If you know of any quilting friends or wannabe quilters who are looking for an easy beginner project and also have maybe some weight loss goals, and you want to share this with them, that would be brilliant. I'm going to be trying to do another push, obviously, in the new year when a lot of people do start their kind of weight loss efforts for the year. So if you've already started with me, we're ahead of the game, but I know a lot of you are going to join me in January, and that's totally fine. So if you have anyone who you think might benefit from doing this or want to just join along, then please do share this with them. And I wanted to say happy holidays to all of you guys. Thanks so much for subscribing to the channel. If you're a subscriber, you got all your lovely comments this year have encouraged me so much. And I'm just loving using YouTube more and more as I do more of it. So, and that's because of you guys. So thanks so much. And I hope you have happy holidays. And if you are doing the weight loss quote with me, then please be kind to yourself over the holidays, and we'll get back into it in January. I promise. Okay. Have a good time, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for spending time with me.